be live on this house. The Sakala Music Dancing Competition. Today is the day. Who wins will take 100 Ghana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who wins will take the 100 Ghana. Today is the day. And if I mention your name, you will come forward and people will see you. The jubilation or the strength you will make to dance. If I call your name and you come around, Franka, come around and make some small distance. People will see you.
I beg, make you start.
I should start the music?
Yes, please.
Okay.
No, like make you start from here.
I should start from here?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I will start from you. Go there and see. Let's see you. You are making some small distance. People could see you. And the people will say yes. Guys, you are making ready to dance. The Sakala movement. The on the arm. Oh, the get. Come on. Go. The music will come. Okay. Now we are doing the intro. Okay. The second, Mavis. You are come to do the Sakala movement. Let's see. Yes, today will be the day. And the blessing. Okay. And the whole Sofu Mami is around the building. Guys, what did we do? Guys, hey. And the Frankie is Franka. Let's see. And the boogie, the Sakara music competition. Guys, boy, today. And the okay. Now, Franka, you will go first. Or maybe Sofmama will go first.
Yes.
Or maybe Mavis will go first. Or the yellow papa will go on the fourth. So the first will be yellow papa. Which music you want?
Sakara.
You want Sakara? Okay.
Shakara.
Go middle. Guys. What did it be? Guys. If you are dancing well, oh, hand again. Guys. What did it be? Hey! Any challenger. Guys. Hey, come stand here. Guys. I'm putting it. Guys. Yo! Any challenger. Guys. Guys. Yeah! Okay.
No, where you go?
Now, come. Don't worry. You people have to come. 100 Ghana is there. Don't worry. Stand there. Now, the second round of Asafu Mami. Wait.
No.
Asafu Mami. Don't worry. Wait. He will step by step. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. He won't run. Asafu Mami, which music you want? Sakara or Beko Beba? Beba. I know for you. Beko Beba. Okay. Now we are going to play the music for you. Guys. Hey. Safu Mami. Guys, Safu Mami will beat them. Any challenger. Guys. Yeah. say what about you? Well, be only Namisu. Guys, 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 guys. Ah, yay! Back up, 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 back up.
It's your turn now. Go.
Wait. Now, it's getting to the finals, and the 100 Ghana is ready. So now they are come to dance. He left the two of them. They are come to dance, and let's see who wins the 100 Ghana. Who passes down who win the 100 Ghana will qualify for the next, and they will see who wins. Mavis, which music you want?
Sakara, sakara.
Hey, what the beat? What the bo? Another classic. I'll pose again. Catch. Okay, now we still have the champion. Only one will clear the face, and then we'll see the final who wins. Franka, which music do you want? You want Shakara or Beko? Which one you want?
Beko.
Okay. You say you want the back. Franka! Catch! Give it to them!
Hey.
Yeah! Catch! Wait. It's very good. Everybody dance. Now he left only one, and the final will declare who wins 100 Ghana.
I'm the winner.
You are the winner. We will see. So now the final is still on. The man himself, he will come. Where is the man? The man himself. Yay! What is your name again?
Joe Kuntani.
Okay, Joe Kuntani. Okay, Joe Kuntani. Which music you want?
Shakara.
Okay, don't worry.
Shakara.
Joe Kuntani. The floor is yours. Give it to them. Hey, oh, Joe Kuntani. Guys. Guys! Hey! No, it's okay. Dokutani, you done well. Now, all of you come and stand here. Now you are come to dance. Only one music. Shakara music. Once. And I'll give the 100 Ghana to the person who wins. So we are going. All of you will dance. Shakara. And let's see the winner. Let's go. Let's go. Action. Come. Guys. Guys. Give it to them, guys. And turn your back. Turn your back for them. Turn your back for them. Guys. 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 Ah. Ah. Guys. 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 Yeah! Franka the man! Franka! Guys, the 100 Ghana going! Guys, 100 Ghana going! Hey! Don't Kuntani! You are standing your back! Don't Kuntani! Guys! Guys! The 100 Ghana go through